guys. While I've been christening the baby, you've been busy christening my road.
Little Rachel certainly made sure she was the star of the show.
Yeah, well, she's a pageant. Of course she was.
Chris, I just want a photo of the whole family together. Oh, right. So shot of this.
Well, you've got to have a record of all the important events.
Oh, can I just come in quickly, that's it? Yeah, okay. Ready? Smile. No, Mother, sorry. I can't let you wag whenever you feel like it. You can't add the school movement.
I do. It'd be so much different if I went to Westside High.
All right, I'll make a deal with you. If you pass your exams, all of them, you can change
I'm
schools.
next up. Really?
As long as it's all right with your father.
Oh, it's fantastic, Ellie. I'll pass all of them, I promise.
Now, come on, let's...
I think a high-priced, authentic diner like back home, during the 50s was just perfect.
Yeah, so do I. That'd be blown out if it's blown. It's got a nice big kitchen.
Oh, it's slow down. Have you got a slightly duck ready?
Yeah, there's one on our listing. There's a vacant lot down in Hope Street.
Want to see it? It won't take long. Oh, no one of mine.
What about Bobby?
Oh, you leave baby Rachel to me, my friend. Come on. We'll be back in time for her next week.
Yeah, all right. All right.
Don't worry about her. She'll settle down.
Okay, we won't be long.
Oh, all right, Nick off.
Well, you need to hurry.
Ernie has the car keys.
Oh, where will we tell him we're going?
Yeah, good question.
Listen, you guys want to borrow a car, yeah?
Yeah, mate.
All right, well, look, you may as well take yours. We don't need it, and if you're not long, the red won't mind.
Are you sure I wouldn't want anything to happen to him?
Come on, that old heap. I mean, even if there was something wrong with it, you wouldn't even know. All right,
Thank
good
you.
time.
Bye.
And it's desperate to sell as well.
It's good. Good spot for a restaurant. Not too quiet, not too busy.
Oh, it's perfect if you ask me.
Let's have a think about it then, eh?
Yeah. All right, we better get back before they notice we're gone.
Good idea.
So, is Dad going to love it or is Dad going to love it?
Is Auntie Bai going to love it? That's the question.